Hi guys! A lot of you messaged me on TikTok asking the step-by-step process for the DHA exam. I'm so sorry, I cannot reply to you all. Ang dami niyo po. I've been very busy this past few weeks and hindi po ako makagawa ng video. And disclaimer lang po, this is only based on my own experience and this is based on my own research. And please bear with me if hindi ko po ma-explain ng masyado sa inyo since I'm not really good at explaining. Pero I will try po. So, the first thing I did po is do a self-assessment. So, ito try ko pong i-insert dito. Just search self-assessment tool online. Then, lalabas na po iyon. You will just have to fill up yung mga details na kailangan nila. And then, this will tell you if eligible po kayo mag-take ng DHA exam or not. So, if ever eligible po kayo, pwede po kayong mag-proceed sa second step, which is making a Sharian account. So, i-search nyo lang din po online, Sharian account, Sharian create account, whatever po, i-insert ko na lang din po online. I-insert ko din po this video. Okay, after that po, if naka-create na po kayo ng account, ilalagay nyo lang po naman po ang mga details niyo. So, make sure po na tama po lahat ng details niyo to avoid delays po at problems in the future. So, after maka-create na po ng account, pwede po kayong mag-proceed sa data flow. Yun po yung ginawa ko. Nag-proceed po ako agad sa data flow para mas mapibilis po yung process tsaka maiwasan na din po yung mga extra fees na kailangan. So, sa data flow po, yun po yung pinakamatagal na process. So, magte-take po siya ng 4 to 6 weeks, I think. Mga ganun. Aabot po ng 1 month. So, sa data flow po, kailangan nyo po ng TOR, diploma, certificate of registration, certificate of good standing certificate, certificate of good standing, and then COE. So, sa COE po, yung pagkakaalam ko po, if ever hindi na po kayo fresh graduate or hindi na po kayo graduate na po kayo 2 years ago, kailangan na po ng 2 years experience. Pero if ever fresh grad na po kayo, yung sinasabi po ng iba, based din po sa mga nakikita kong videos, hindi man na daw kailangan ng experience. Pero sa case ko po, I graduated year 2023 and passed PNLA year 2023 din po. So, I started my processing sa DHA Prometric exam last year lang po, month of October or November, I think. And my experience that time is 1 year and 6 months pa lang po. Pero so far, nag-get through naman po ang mga documents. So, mga document ko. So, I think it's fine. You can just try po. And then, may experience po ako ng 1 year and 3 months sa medical surgical war. And then, 4 months, I think, sa EROPD. Yun po yung inattach ko sa data flow. Sabi nila, mas better if i-heads up niyo po yung mga institution na pinagtrabahuan nyo na nagpa-process na po na kayo ng data flow para mas mabilis po yung process. Pero yung sa akin so far, medyo mabilis naman po siya. 4 weeks, I think, meron na po akong positive data flow report. Then, after that, pwede na po kayong mag-schedule ng exam. Nakuha ko po yung mga data flow report ko, I think, katapusan po ng November. Then, nagpa-schedule na din po ako agad ng exam, December 12. Nakuha ko po yung result ko, the official result, same day lang din po, December 12, pagkagabi na pass. After that po, if meron na po, pwede na kayo mag-proceed sa registration. Ito po yung wag na wag yung kakalimutan kasi ito po yung pinakamalaking pagkakamali ko. I was waiting for my data flow, my DHA eligibility report for I think almost 1 week. I forgot na kailangan palang mag-register. Actually, that's the first thing some of the nurses do, pero ako po, nauna ko pong ginawa yung data flow tsaka yung exam. I think okay lang naman din po. Nung nag-register po kasi ako, naka-attach na po doon yung data flow, positive data flow report, and then yung result ng exam ko, which is pass. So, mas napadali na po yung process ko. 3 days po, or not almost 3 days. Actually, kasi nag-register po ako Friday, yun pagka Monday, may eligibility report na po. So, yeah, 3 days. Ganun din po. Then, makuha nyo po, pwede nyo na pong i-download yung eligibility report after 3 days. Then, yun na po. That's it. Basically, that's it. Then, you can start applying here in Dubai. And, yeah, yung hospital nyo na po ang mag-activate ng license nyo. So, basically, that's it. I hope na-explain ko po ng tama. If you have questions, I will try to answer it po, and you can just comment it down, or you can just PM me. But I'm not promising if I can reply po, but I will try. So, that's it. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.